In the last video, we did this. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this realistic surface. Let's go!
Because we are going to UV, unwrap this plane, then switch to the UV/image editor. Now go to the edit mode. Now press U, then unwrap. Now press the open button. Now select the image that you want. Now zoom it up. Now you can't see the texture here. To do that, select the materials button, then new, then the small button near the color, image texture. Now select the previous image. Now switch to the node editor. Now zoom it. Now we are going to add bumps and reflections in the surface by adding a bump map and a reflection map. So you need a Photoshop or any photo editor for this. So let's edit these nodes. Now select this node and drag this back. Now press Shift A, then shader, then mix shader. Now drag this mix shader here. Now switch to the object mode. Now you can see the texture. Now we are going to add a bump map. So press Shift A, then texture, then image texture. So drag this here. We are going to add a bump map. Now go to the Photoshop and switch to the grayscale mode. Now we have the non-color image here. Now tweak the levels a bit. Now save this as a separate JPEG image. Now come to the blender, then zoom, then select the image that you recently made. Now switch to non-color data. Now press Shift A, then vector, then bump. Now this is a bump shader. Now set color to the height. Now let's add a glossy shader, then press Shift A, shader, glossy. Now join the normal to normal. Then join the bump to this diffuse shader. Now zoom it out. Now join this BSDF to the mix shader. Like this. Now let's add a reflection map. So press Shift A, then texture, then image texture. Now set it to the non-color data. Now tweak the levels more and save this as a separate JPEG image. Now go to the Blender again. Now open, then select the image that you just made in Photoshop. Now this is a reflection map, so join the color to the factor of a mix shader. Now our node editing is done. Now switch to the rendered view. And now here you can see the texture had a bump, reflection and all those features that the real life texture has. Now again switch to the solid view. Now let's upgrade this by adding a color to it. Now select this plane and then switch to the node editor. Now you can change the color from here, but I am going to set this as a default color. Now switch to the 3D view. Now press 0 on numpad to get camera perspective. Now deselect all, then press N, then zoom it, then click on the lock camera to the view. Now select your comfortable position. Now press 0 to get normal perspective. Now select the lamp and press X, then delete. Now we have all our objects set up. Now press 0, go to the render button and render this image.